Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we shall discuss about what an algorithm is, what are the properties of an algorithm, and what are the differences between an algorithm and a program. An algorithm is a finite set of clear and unambiguous instructions which performs a particular task. By the words particular task, we mean that suppose we write an algorithm which checks whether an integer is prime or not. So the algorithm is meant only for that checking. Any other checking like the integer is odd or not is cannot be done by this algorithm. An algorithm should be made up of clear and unambiguous instructions. An example of unambiguous instruction is like this. In an algorithm, suppose we write a loop, and in that loop we forgot to mention the updation of loop variable. This is one kind of ambiguity. Now what are the properties of an algorithm? There are mainly 5 properties of an algorithm. Number 1 is input. An algorithm should have 0 or more inputs which are externally supplied. Why 0 inputs? Suppose we write an algorithm which prints a string. So in that algorithm we do not need any input. Next property is output. An algorithm should produce at least one output. Number 3 property is definiteness. Definiteness property is exactly clear and unambiguous, which is discussed previously. Property number 4 is finiteness. Finiteness property tells that an algorithm should stop after a finite number of steps. This means that an algorithm should not contain any infinite loop. Property number 5 is effectiveness. This property tells that an algorithm should be made up of some basic instructions. The instructions are so basic that it can be carried out by a person using pencil and paper or pen and paper. So a person who do not have a computer can also execute the algorithm using pen and paper. Now, what are the differences between an algorithm and a program? An algorithm is written at design level and a program is written at implementation level. So, design level and implementation level, what are the differences? Like, suppose you want to build your house. First, you go to the civil engineer to make a drawing of your house. That is called design level. And implementation level means when by observing that drawing, the mason constructs your house using bricks, cements, etc. So that is the analogy of program and algorithm with building our house. Number 2 difference is an algorithm is language independent. We can write an algorithm using pseudocode, using any other format, that is, it is language independent. But a program is always written by maintaining the syntax of a specific language. So these are the main differences between an algorithm and a program. In the next lecture we shall discuss some more things.